In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can download, install, and use Vinted app, which is an app that you can use to buy and sell used articles and clothing and a lot of different types of objects that will be near your area, but also you can buy them from a distance. So first thing, we need to download it and install it. So this is really easy. Now this is the smartphone app icon that you can see up here. So what I'm going to do is just access my Google Play. And if I don't find it, I'm just gonna go to search it in the various apps of my phone. So I'm just gonna search for here. I'm gonna search for Play, and that's my uh, phone here. So probably it's gonna be a little bit different for yours, but it's just go here and access the Play Store or the Mac Store. And here I'm gonna search for Vinted. There you go. You can see I already installed it, but if you didn't install it, you will find here an install button. So you need to click here and you will download it and install it. And when you finish, you can directly click on this button here, or you will find the app usually in the dashboard or in your screen of the smartphone. And there you go. So it's gonna ask you first if you have some preferences, and also here we can customize the experience by clicking on personalize. So perhaps you wanna specify some categories and size. And let's say here, for example, I will say that I am a man, and I can say I am like medium, large, and we can also specify here the trousers and the shoes and so on. So you have all these different measures that you can input to narrow down the search to make more specific search. You can also specify some brands here and so on. So let's just go back here to the home page. Now you can also search here if you're looking for something particular. So you can click on the search bar and type, for example, shoes, and sorry, there you go. And there you go. So you have like shoes man, shoes kids, shoes woman, and there you have your results. Now, if I like something, now most of these things are used, but some of these are like kind of new or almost new or totally new sometimes. So if I like something, I'm just gonna click here on one of the article, and then I can click on buy now, or I can make an offer with this user here, and I can continue to look for similar objects. So it's really easy to use, really fast, really simple, user friendly, and so on. And you will find also other stuff, not only clothing and shoes and accessories like purse and glasses, eyeglasses, and so on. So you will find a lot of stuff apart from that. Now you can also search down here, and you can see you can narrow down the search. You can specify, for example, you're a man and you are looking for like accessories, and then you have jewelry and bags, belts, watches, sunglasses, gloves. Let's go back here in clothing. You have jeans, you have trousers, shorts, swimwear, activewear, sportswear, suits and blazers, tops and t-shirts. So you really have a lot of stuff here, and also grooming and so on. So you can just look for through the categories, or just like directly in typing what you're looking for right here. Now you also have a profile page, you have an inbox, you have mailbox, so you can send messages, receive messages, and then you can also sell. So if you want to like earn also money from this, if you want to like sell your used items that you have in your home, you can do it from here. Just click here, upload some photos. The more photos you will upload, the better it will be. You also have some photo tips here. So you can see choose natural light, don't use flash, and so on. Use your own image. And then you need to specify the title, the description, category, brand, condition, price. And then you just upload and wait for the item to be sold to someone. And that's it. It's really, really easy. Again, really user friendly, really fast. I love this app. So again, this is going to be just a quick introduction. And if you like it, just go there and try it. And so this will be all for this video guide. And if you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated. If you want to support us, please join the channel as a supporter and check out other video guides and video courses. And that's it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.